ZANU-PF Masvingo province has thrown its full weight behind the controversial constitutional amendment number 3 bill of 2026, reinforcing growing perceptions that the ruling party's 2030 agenda is gathering momentum at the provincial level. Sadamira Mashko Branko Papango na Chinzi. mnangagwaZim had Masvingo list declare 2030 unstoppable. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipuna mnamobla nyukamchinzi. The endorsement was made during a provincial coordinating committee meeting held on Friday, where senior party figures deliberated on the recently gazetted bill, which critics argue is designed to entrench power rather than reform government structures. Provincial Chairperson Robson Mnangagwa welcomed the proposed amendments, saying the province was satisfied with the direction being taken. As a party in Masvingo province, we are happy with the progress that has been made pertaining to the amendment of the Constitution number 3 Bill of 2026. Remember, some of the proposals were raised by the party, and we are happy that implementation is taking shape, he said. Mnangagwa indicated that structures at grassroots level would now be mobilized to build support for the changes. As a province, we are fully behind this amendment, and through this meeting, we were discussing that it's high time we go to the grassroots and inform our people of these developments, he said. Political member Love Mumatuke defended the amendments as lawful and constitutionally permissible, dismissing concerns over altering the supreme law. In quotes, we are the ones who came up with the constitution, and again, we are allowed to make necessary adjustments whenever it is necessary. Let us not be deceived into thinking that the constitution cannot be amended, he said, arguing that similar provisions exist in other jurisdictions. Though developments are able to know that even love more matuke opindra panao hii achisupporta the constitutional amendment. Pinakupesa section members of ura imo kuliva mzuri wechitu kwa ichi. Subscribe or like chito on the bell icon.